The name's Klausner, Mr. Klausner. Welcome to class, everybody. It's Mr. Klausner. Hope everybody's doing great. It is Thursday, the 15th of April. Let me go ahead and share my screen so you guys can see what it is you need to do and what you need to accomplish. Those online learners, thanks to the shout outs to guys like Sage and Cade and guys who are always getting their work in, and Amare had his birthday this week and still joined us online yesterday, so congrats to those guys. I saw Kamaleo last week. Rome joined in, so thanks to those guys joining online. Okay, it's a B schedule today on the Thursday. It is James Bond Day. That's why I'm dressed up. Online meeting, again, we'll have the next one Friday at 11 a.m. Again, homecoming week tomorrow, the homecoming shirt, that's for the in-person guys mostly. Birthdays, Freckle Champion, quote of the week, and homework. Please turn in your Harry Potter homework and complete the one Freckle assignment in your backpack by tomorrow. So what are we doing today? Today's agenda, enter per attendance clean, and then we're gonna play a math card game, okay? It's called the King of Math card game. We'll do a quick stretch, and then if we are really good, we'll play 2 rounds of it so we can accomplish all the questions. So it is like a bigger activity. And then if there's anything at the end there, we'll play a game in class or just relax and get our work done. Cleanup and dismissal. So this is the game, and those of you that are online, I want you to go ahead and either play it by yourself or maybe play it with a sibling, or you can just solve the math problems. But essentially, we're going to set it up. I'm going to split everyone into 3s, lay out all the cards in a circle around a little cup in the middle, which I'll put. Pull 1 card at a time and complete the action necessary for that type of card. Follow the directions, be respectful, or else we will not play the game. But here it is. Okay, so this is the game. And if you've played this game before, let me know. Also, if you're watching this and like, oh, I've seen this game before, just know that I've changed it up so it is totally acceptable and totally math related, and it is a fun game. So the thing is, if you pull the card on the left, you got to do the thing on the right, okay? And you all got to keep the cards in a circle around the cup. So if you pull an ace, you're going to do a push-up. Boom. That's it. If you pull a king, you want to hold on to that king. If you have the most kings at the end of the game, you're the winner. That's why it's called the King of Math game. If you pull a queen, you're going to answer 3 inequality questions, 1 for each player. So everyone has to do one of these questions here. As you can see, we've learned this week. X minus 2 is greater than 4. We're going to move that minus 2 plus 2 to both sides. We would get X is greater than 6. So I just did one of them for you. Go ahead and solve these. These are for all 4 of the queens. That's why I have 12 numbers. If you're online, solve all 12 of these and send them back. But that's what happens if you pull a queen. If you pull a jack, you have to do 15 jumping jacks. If you pull a 10, you have to say 10 different numbers. They can be any kind of numbers. You can be like 44, negative 12, square root of 5, and pi. Those are all great numbers, and you can just say any numbers, but you can't go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's not cool. Just any numbers. This is math class, 10 numbers. Number 9, bust a rhyme. The way this one works is you could say like, I am a little cat. And then the next person has to say, and I saw a little rat. And then the next person says, I hit it with a baseball bat. Okay. If you cannot think of one within 3 seconds, then you have to do a push-up. Okay. 8, 8 is mate. This is where you would choose somebody to help you with the 2 math problems. So what you got to do, that means 1 person is doing a math problem each. Well, where are the math problems? Well, we have math problems sheet number 1, which is finding the time. Sheet number 2, which is subtracting decimals. Sheet number 3, quick division. Sheet number 4, missing factors or multiplication practice. And sheet number 5 is our angles review. So not too tough stuff. It's all review from not only this year, but years before. So go ahead and solve this. You can choose any of those on those math problems pages, and you each got to do one of them. You get to choose, like, I want to be with Johnny and I, we got to do a problem. 7 is heaven. This is where you point to the sky, and the last one that does it, after that person pulls it, does 1 sit-up. 6 is called mix. You change seats. 5 is jive. The person that pulls it has to do a dance move. It can be like any kind of thing, but just do a dance move. 4, you stand up, you got 4 spins in a circle. 3 is me, so you have to solve a math problem. And 2, if you pull a 2, you get to choose somebody to solve a math problem off one of those 5 pages, okay? Those of you that are online, I do want you to complete all this work for me. I'm gonna make all the students do all the questions in class. So send these to me. When you finish them, I'll take a quick look at them, make sure you guys are following the directions and all that. Okay, that's all I got for today. Back to this front screen. I hope y'all are doing well. I miss y'all. Hope you're having a good week, and you know, we're gonna be towards the weekend here soon. And honestly, I've been telling the classes that we really don't have a ton of time together left as 7th graders. It's kind of sad to think that I won't be your teacher very much anymore once we get into May. So we only have about a month left together. So let's take it serious. Let's not goof around. Let's be respectful and get all our work done and work really hard, okay? So that is all I got for you. I'm going to go ahead and stop sharing and say goodbye. James Bond. Bye-bye.